Hey all my awesome peeps, what is up? I hope everyone is okay. Welcome to my vlog. This vlog will be a cookie vlog. The time is coming up to 7 o'clock in the evening. I thought I could relaxing day. I kick nothing special. And now I am beginning this vlog of life, which is why this vlog is a cookie vlog. I have got my fan on because it is so warm. So what I am going to do now, I think, is I am going to relax and watch some Super network. The time is currently 9 o'clock at night and I am having my supper while watching some autopsy videos. It has been a couple of hours. It is half past 2 in the afternoon and the weather looks like this. So what I am going to do now is I am going to just relax, listen to some music on my laptop. So 2 years ago, I created my very own instrumental songs. As you can see, it is still murky, but I will clean it off camera. Okay peeps, I will end this vlog here. If you have liked this vlog, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. I will see you peeps in the next vlog. Bye.